Ever go to a restaurant and you have one of those individually portioned chocolate cakes? They're super moist, they're super fluffy, chocolatey. They come out sometimes warm with some ice cream or whipped cream on the side. You're in heaven, you're thinking, I can only get this here, so I have to enjoy it at this restaurant. Well, today that mentality ends, and we're gonna teach you guys how to make your individually portioned flourless chocolate cakes right at home to enjoy whenever you want. So let's get started. So there's two things in particular that I love about this dessert. One is that it's kind of like a one bowl dessert. So just like you have like a one pot meal, like a pilau, this is kind of like the pilau of desserts. You just throw it into a bowl and you go and everybody's happy. Second thing is that it is inherently gluten-free. So it's a dessert that is gluten-free but doesn't need any extra specialty flours or any replacements. Everything in this recipe you could probably just find in your pantry or fridge anyway. Okay, so for this recipe, we will need 8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 4 ounces of melted butter, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 3 eggs, of course, at room temperature, and a half a cup of cocoa powder. Okay, so we have our melted chocolate here ready to go. All our pieces are nice and dissolved. So to this, quite simply, we're just going to add our melted butter. And this is unsalted butter. And we're just going to stir this in. All our butter is incorporated, so you see it's nice and shiny. Now we're going to add our sugar. Just like this. Giving that a quick stir in. Would you believe we're already halfway there? And to this, we're going to add our 3 eggs that are at room temperature. I'm actually going to graduate from my spatula to a whisk at this point. So I have that there. Just going to add egg number 1, and we're just going to whisk that in. Okay, so right now this is just our sugar, eggs, chocolate, and butter. You see it's nice, looks like a batter. And now we're going to add our, just something to help bind, which is going to be our cocoa powder. So it's going to help everything come together, as well as obviously going to add that extra chocolate flavor that is just going to knock this right out of the park, or the oval, or the savannah. So we're just sifting our half a cup of cocoa powder right into the bowl. And as you can see, I have a new sifter slash sieve slash sieve. I know, moving up in life. I'm just giving this a mix in. With the whisk, you just kind of want to almost like fold it and whisk it at the same time. So everything gets nice and dissolved. You could turn the bowl as well, kind of help you out. And you can see it, like it sounds to think, oh, this is looking like a chocolate cake now, isn't it? So to give it some more restaurants-y kind of feel, I have these ramekins here that I've just greased with some non-stick spray. If you don't have ramekins, you could use just a normal 8-inch or 6-inch pan, and you could just spray that. But I'm actually going to serve the chocolate cakes in the ramekins. We're getting really, really fancy here, guys. So I'm just going to pour it in. My oven is preheated at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and this should take about 25 minutes to bake, and then it's going to be showtime. So now it's time to choose your own adventure. It's kind of however you want to top these off. You see they're out of the oven. They look pretty good. So today I have some whipped cream that I just whipped up by hand with a little bit of ice and sugar. So I'm just going to dollop this on top like that. And I also have some powdered sugar here, ice and sugar. Just a light snowfall dusting kind of thing. It's a little bit windy in here today. And then because I'm a little health conscious, I'm gonna put some mint. And there you go. So this is your Flourless chocolate cake, kind of restaurant style. You can put whatever you want on it. You can put ice cream, you can put different types of fruit on top. I tend to think that since the chocolate has like such a nice depth of flavor, something a bit acid, maybe some like mango or berries of some sort will go nice with it. And then I like to have a little bit of a creaminess, so that's where the ice cream or the whipped cream comes in. So let's try it now. So easy, y'all. And inside is ooey gooey. Can't believe there's no flour in this. So usually for my little outro conclusion, I put down what I'm eating, but I can't really put this down right now, so I'm just gonna have to multitask. So if you want to see more of me and my kitchen shenanigans, feel free to follow me on Instagram at mzclaire. You'll probably see the name right over here is usually where he puts it. And if you want to see more from eatahfood on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for notifications. If you want, you can like us on Facebook as well at eatahfoodtt. You can also follow us on Instagram at eatahfoodtt. And as always, it's a pleasure having you guys here with me in the kitchen. I will see you guys next time. Bye.